So we will talk about that in this video, in this talking ba. So I have here a copy. What really are you in a relationship, guys, that there's something that weakens or loosen your relationships? What is it? Is it money? Is it assets? It's charot. Ayan, let's talk about it. So this video is a live stream, so I will just take a highlight so that I can have my own highlights. So this is very interesting topic, guys. What loosens the relationship? So actually the reason of all is the familiarity. Are you familiar with your someone? And then you feel like, oh, it's so familiar, it's so comfortable that I don't really need to make an effort in this relationship. It is because too familiar. So very okay. Familiarity can indeed impact relationships in various ways. Yung familiarity, guys, that's the reason. If you are too familiar, too comfortable with the person, it is very easy for you to lose the feelings of wanting that person. Wala ka diya. O, ayan. Oh, wala kong signal. So what are the effects of the familiarity? Being so familiar, being so comfortable in the relationship. Yan, there's always a reason for that. So the possible effects of it is very comfort and trust. Familiarity can breed comfort and trust. Hello, ECL. Comfort and trust as people feel more at ease with someone they know well. So if you know well so much that person, you will feel at ease. You know, you feel at ease, like, oh, whatever, always whatever. But then it has a big impact in our someone. Ayan na. Comfort and trust. Familiarity can breed comfort and trust as people feel more at ease with someone they know well. Complacency. On the other hand, familiarity can lead to complacency, causing relationships to become stale or taken for granted. Oh, that's it. So have you talked to your someone that, oh, I feel like you are taking me for granted? Oh, because your expectations is not met. Oh, ganyan. That's true, by the way. And then intimacy. Familiarity can create a sense of intimacy and closeness as people share experiences and secrets. So yun yung very, very, very familiar, very comfortable, and you feel like, oh my goodness, parang ano ba, relationship or friendship? So like that, guys, no? It weakens the relationship. So it weakens the relationship. Di ba, ECL? I think ECL have what is that we call experience, right? Ayan, you have to check. You cannot blame someone's of that if it happens. Like for me, like you are the person like likes to blame others. So you must think of yourself. Am I the wrong here, or he is? Of course, you have to check first on yourself before putting the hands to others, di ba? Your partner. So there are potential factors that can contribute to weakening the relationships. First experience from ECL. Number one, communication issues. There are many potential factors that can contribute to weakening the relationships, guys. Communication. Always we talk about communication issues. Poor communication, lack of communication, and miscommunication can lead to misunderstandings and resentment. Trust issues. Trust issues, ECL, it's here. Betrayal, dishonesty, or broken promises can erode and damage relationship. Oh my God, may calling ako. Cancel mo na yung calling na